Hello everyone, this is Bonnie
and Gava,
and we are underwater content creators.
This is the Insta360 X3 with the new invisible dive case, and in this video we're going to teach you how to use it like a pro. It captures 360 footage all around it, eliminates the pull and gets those amazing creative shots. But now with the case and the special glass design, it is possible underwater and we got some incredible footage. So the actual camera has 4 buttons, 2 on the side and 2 in the front. The case only allows you access to the 2 on the side, but if you update the camera to the newest firmware that you can find on the app, very easy to do, then it allows you to turn on the camera, turn on the video and change between the different setting modes, photo, video, HDR and everything else, all using only these 2. The case is really solid. It's rated up to 50 meters deep or 164 feet for you Americans. We never really had any troubles, never got scared of using it at any depth. The case comes with the classic action mounts on the bottom, so you put this thing attached to it with the screw, you screw it in very tightly. You want to make sure that it's perfectly aligned with the pole and that it doesn't flutter around when you drive it through the water, which can be a bit of a, like say, strong force. So you want to make sure it's very tight and perfectly aligned so it will delete the whole pole. Then if you want to do video, we recommend and we always use the 5.7K 30. It's the perfect balance between having the right frames and having all the quality that the camera allows to have the crispness in your videos. So here's how to use it underwater. What you want to do is point one of your cameras towards you. The camera has incredible flow state stabilization and horizon lock. Keep your arms tight to your side. This is long enough. Be cool, be fluent in your movements when you're underwater and everything will look amazing. What we recommend is if you want colors and details, point the camera to the sun. If you want to be creative and you're in a very particular environment, then of course, always experiment and see what comes out. For example, if I have a pod of dolphins swimming next to me, I point the camera away from the dolphins, so it's taking me and the dolphins in the same shot. Like we got this in Egypt. You can just live the moment with this camera and don't worry about it.
So the Insta360 with this new invisible dive case is really the ultimate creative camera. So what we really love to film with it is swim-throughs. Through shipwrecks or through caves or in between corals, through huge pods of dolphins or groups of fish. It's really cool. So the final step in making amazing underwater 360 videos is the editing. On the Insta360 app, what you have to do, since the camera captures everything around you, you have to choose where you want to frame it. You have to choose what you're looking at, who's in the frame, how wide the angle is, and all of that. You want that 5.7K to be really visible in the crispness of your video. Make sure you use the widest angle that makes sense for your frame. Use the keyframes to fix the different frames along the video, make all the transitions super smooth. You can use AI-powered editing features, effects, and templates to make your videos look amazing in just one click. It's so easy. And then remember to try out the Aquavision 2.0 filter to have the colors look really good on your video, and it's, again, so easy to do. You don't have to worry about filming horizontal, vertical, square, whatever. Choose your aspect ratio just when you export. That is like such freedom. We love that feature.
So guys, thank you for sticking around. We hope you learned something and that you're ready to take out your Insta360 to get amazing underwater shots.
If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I guess that's all for today.
Ciao!